Doll, please.
Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are opening Miss Luna Madison. She's one that has like a very unique outfit. It's very much like Gaga to me. I feel like this is something Lady Gaga wore during one of her concerts or music videos or something. Her second outfit is also very shiny, but this underskirt dress thing is kind of my favorite piece. I've seen a lot of people use it on other dolls and it always looks good. On the back we have the rest of the Shadow High cast. All right, let's go ahead and cut her out and take a look. Her stand is a nice shiny glittery black. I can already tell her hair is going to be very crunchy. Like I said right away, her hair is very crunchy. Overall, like, I love the silver shine that it has to it and her cute little buns that she has at the top. In Target, a lot of their bangs were like straight up and messed up. She was the one that had the best bangs, so she was the one that I grabbed. Her eyes have like a little purple tint to it and her lips are just pretty much black. There's no tint to those. This is a little armband that popped off and I think it just goes right here around her arm. I think is where it was before. It just says Shadow. She does have some cool silver leather gloves and a little bracelet on this arm. Her outfit is this like metallic silver, and I think these come out all the way on the sides, which make it look even better. Through in the back, just velcros through the middle and has like some studs along the back too. The boots are like gladiator, I think that's what they're called, gladiator boots, and they have a separate sock underneath, which I like because then we can definitely use these to mix and match. Forgot to take a look at her earrings, but they're these really big diamonds. Now let's take a look at her second outfit. All right, so let's start with her jacket. It's this very cool silver material with a fake zipper on the front and these fabric sleeves that say Shadow. It velcros through in the back, which is pretty cool because in the front has this like full look to it. It doesn't get broken up or anything. And then she also comes with this pretty tight dress that has little straps on it. It just velcros through on the top part like 3/4 of the way. It has a lot of stretch to it, which is nice because I think this is like very form-fitting. Has silver lines down it with studs through in the middle. And then for shoes, we have these strappy little heels. They have a very high heel. They say Shadow across the front, have a little band in the back and a strap in the front. That is it for her today. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know if you have her in your collection. We're going to be taking some fashion shots of her in her first and second outfit, so be sure to stick around for that. Also, I never shout out my own social medias, but feel free to follow me on Instagram, doll please, where I'm going to post lots of rainbow high pictures. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.